Bookkeeping. Here is where it all starts, the collection of information. In order to be able to appreciate its importance, try to imagine for a second that tomorrow you wake up and all the bookkeeping records in the world are gone. The first thing that you find out is that you don't have any electricity at home. The electricity company shut it down because they didn't have any records of you paying the bill. That's an awful surprise, right? But wait, there's more. You decide to go to the nearest supermarket and buy some juice, butter, and bread. But when you get there, they tell you that they don't have any. They didn't know that they were out of stock because all of their bookkeeping records are gone. You're starving and you don't have any electricity at home. Miserable situation. Perhaps some shopping in the city center would cheer you up. You decide to withdraw some money from the nearest bank. But when you get there, you find out that the bank doesn't have a record containing your name. They've lost the information about your savings. They are gone. You get the point, right? Modern society as we know it simply cannot function without bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is fundamental for corporations, banks, investment funds, and even individuals. Let's provide another example. Think about GE, the General Electric Company. GE has over 300,000 employees, and it operates in more than 170 countries in the world. The company operates in business sectors like appliances and lighting, aviation, financial services, energy management, healthcare, oil and gas, power and water, and transportation. Can you imagine how complex its operations are? Is GE going to be able to monitor its businesses without a proper bookkeeping system in place? Is it going to be able to understand whether its operations in a given country are profitable or not? Or whether there is a product that is not profitable and should be discontinued? Recording every single transaction that takes place within the firm is paramount at this level of complexity. It is proper bookkeeping that ensures that all necessary information has been recorded and is ready to use. I am sure that you get the point. Bookkeeping is the cornerstone around which all accounting is constructed.